Hello everyone and welcome to Bollywood Bug. This is Saishri and today I'm going to review the trailer of the much awaited movie that is Radhe Shyam, which just got released and in front of 40,000 people. Like, people are going crazy about this movie. Well, after seeing the trailer, was it worth the craze or not? What did I like about it? And what did I not? To know more about it, you need to keep watching this video till the end. But before that, if you're new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe to it and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates from us. Now, without any further delay, let's get started. This movie Radhe Shyam is directed by Radhe Krishna Kumar and it's going to be released in both Telugu and Hindi language. The movie is produced by UV Creations, Gopi Krishna Movies and T Series, and it's set in Europe of the 1950s. The film music is scored by Justin Prabhakaran with cinematography by Manoj Pramahamsa and editing by Kotagri Venkateshwar Rao. The film will release on 11th of January 2022. So keep waiting for the date. But before that, let me give a brief about the trailer. The trailer opens where we see a voiceover of Prabhas saying अगली बार माँ पूछे तो कह देना मेरे किस्मत में प्यार शादी दोनों नहीं है. Then we see Prabhas being the charming guy who attracts people easily, but he's just interested in flirtatiousship and not relationship. Prabhas also went on to say that he does not fall in love. He is not into romantic relationship as such. But Pooja's character went on to say that although he doesn't think that he's Romeo, but still she thinks herself as Juliet, and if at all he falls in love with her, he'll die. Then later in the trailer, we get to know that Vikramaditya, played by Prabhas, is a great palmistry, or you can say Einstein of palmistry. Big and popular people want to meet him, so he is that famous and well known. He knows everything that will happen and can predict anything easily. Now, here's the interesting thing, because he can predict everything, he can predict about himself as well. So, falling in love and marrying someone, getting into a relationship, all of these things can also be predictable. Like, by him, he can predict everything that happens with him. But it shows that he still falls in love, and uh, Pooja gets into a lot of trouble. He gets into a lot of trouble. A lot of mess happens when both of them get into a relationship. But to know why is that mess happening, and if he could predict that this mess will happen, still why did he get into a relationship like that? To know more about all these factors, we need to wait for the movie to get released. But before that, let me say that the direction of the movie is very perfect. Like, I really loved it, and the cut shot that they did, the cutting of the trailer is really perfect, which left the audience having a lot of questions. And for that, I really want to rush to the movie theaters to get answers to all of them. The cinematography is really amazing. It is so great. The background is set against 1950s and it's giving the feel of 90s so on point. The ending part of the trailer also, it has a really good cinematography because it have like a ship sequence which is burning and all of that. It is so much eye catching. Now, coming to the performance, well, there is Prabhas. When it comes to Prabhas, nobody can question his acting skills because he is so good at it. Coming to Pooja, she is playing this bubbly girl who is falling in love with him and all of that, but she is doing a really great job as well. So these both people were the main characters throughout the trailer. There were no other characters that I could see more evidently, but these two characters did really well. So that was all I felt about this trailer. You guys tell me in the comment section what you felt about the trailer and how excited are you for the movie to get released on 11th of January. If you like this video, then don't forget to like and share it. I'll see you in another review video. Till then, stay tuned and stay safe.